Welcome everybody. Today you are going to learn transpose. Transposing an array turns its rows into columns and columns into rows, just like matrices in mathematics. Students, you have learned transpose in matrices. What happens if you find out transpose? Then its rows converted to columns and columns converted to rows. Clear? It is so simple. Convert the rows into columns, all the rows convert into columns, then it becomes transpose of matrix. Okay, so it is simple in Numpy or Python. Simply use the transpose function and quickly you can find out the transpose. Let's see how it happens. Transpose. Okay, array 3. This is array 3. np dot array 10 minus 7 0 20 minus 5 1 240 30 1 minus 1 4. This is a 3 into 4 matrix. Okay, 3 into 4 matrix. Then print array 3. This is 3 into 4 because 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. So 3 into 4 matrix is there. So find out transpose. The original array does not change. Okay, it only prints transpose matrix on the screen, but the original array is same only. This thing you need to keep in your mind. Array 3 dot transpose. Then it printing. See what is the first row? 10 minus 7 0 20. 10 minus 7 0 20 it is printed. Clear? Now let's do in our Python cell. This is your Python cell. First of all, what we have to do? We need to import. Okay, we need to import Numpy. Import Numpy as np. Clear? Now array1 is equal to np dot array first element 1 2 3 4. Clear? Now second row 5 6 7 8. Nine, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Press the enter key to create the array. Array is created without any error. Okay. Now print the array1. This is our original array. Clear? Now how will you find the transpose? Array name and transpose function. Array name is array1 dot transpose function. Transpose function. Clear? Enter. See, 1 2 3 4 row becomes column. Clear? So easily we have found out transpose, but original array is not changed. This is only output of the transpose of array. Clear? Let's do another topic. sorting. Sorting. What is sorting? Arranging the data in sequence. It may be ascending to descending or descending to ascending, like A to Z or Z to A, or in numerical order, increasing order or decreasing order. Okay, this is called sorting. So how it happens sorting in array? Let's look at the screen. Sorting is to arrange the elements of an array in hierarchical order, either ascending or descending by default. Numpy does sorting in ascending order. See, array 4, np.array, np.array 0, 1, 2, minus 3, 6, 8. This list is not sorted. Array 4 dot sort function. Array 4 dot sort function is called. Then array 4 is sorted. Array 4 is sorted. It means original array is sorted. Clear? Let's do on the Python cell. We create array 2. Array 2 is equal to array np.array, np.array 9 5 0 15 minus 1 6. This is our array. Bracket was not closed, so let's close the bracket. Let's close the bracket. Array is created. We need to sort it, so sort array 2 dot sort function. Sort function. Clear? Array is sorted now. Now print the array 2. Array 2 print. Enter. Let's look at the screen. Array is now sorted and printed also. And when you do the sorting, original array is sorted for lifetime. Clear? Minus 1, 0, 5, 6, 9 and 15 is the largest number here in the list. So always sorting is done in ascending order only. Now let's go to the screen and we cover further topics. In 2D arrays, sorting can be done along either of the axes, row wise or column wise. By default, sorting is done row wise, that is on axis 1. It means to arrange elements in each row in ascending order. When axis is 0, sorting is done column wise, means each column is sorted in ascending order. Array 4 np.array, this is the row 10 minus 0 20 minus 5 1 240 31 minus 1 4. Okay, this is 3 into 4 array. Clear? Then array 4 dot sort function. Array 4 is sorted. Then what happens? Then array is sorted row wise. Minus 7 minus 5 1 0 1 is row wise is sorted. Okay, row wise is sorted. So let's do. We need to find sorted array of two-dimensional. Okay, let's go to the Python cell and we will create the two-dimensional array and we will sort it. Array 3 equal to np.array first 9 8 5 minus 4 comma 7 minus 8 0 6 and last 11 19 7 minus 8. Array 3 is deleted. Now we need to sort it or print array 3. Array 3. See, this is array 3. It is not sorted. Let's sort it. Array 3 dot sort function. Array 3 sorted. Let's print it on the screen. Array 3. Now array is sorted. See, row wise minus 4, then minus 8, minus 8, 5 0 7 8 6 11 9 7 19. See, minus 4 is the least. Okay, minus 4, then 5 8 9 sorted. Here row, which one is least? Minus 8 0 6 7 sorted, and then minus 8 7 11 19. Each and every row now sorted. Clear? Let's do another example. Array 5 np.array 10 minus 7 0 20. This is the second and this is the third. It means this is your 3 into 4 array. 3 into 4 array. Axis 0 means column. Axis 0 means column. Column wise sorting. Axis 0 means column wise sorting. So here you need to write array 5 dot sort axis equal to 0. Axis 0 means column wise. Let's do on the Python cell. Let's go on the Python cell and we do the practice. array array 4 array 4 is equal to np dot array four, then array 4 is created. Now look at the screen, array is created. Now we need to print array 4 array 4 array 4 is printed. It is not sorted. See the columns, 1 minus 9 6 not sorted, 8 4 minus 2 not sorted. Let's sort it with the help of sort function. Array 4 dot sort, then x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, enter, sorted, clear. Then print array 4. See, this is sorted. Column minus 9 is the smallest, 1, then 6, minus 2, 4, 8 sorted, 7, 8, 9 sorted, minus 7, 3, 12 sorted. Clear? So I hope all of you have understood the concept, whatever I have taught you today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, okay, through message or call. And students, you need to do practice of all these commands in the Python shell. Not only one time, you need to do practice for more time. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.